Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is the Dollar General clearance event, day one, whole table of stuff. I didn't go too hard. Sometimes I usually have two tables of stuff, but loving my haul, and we're going to go into this number by number. Probably like $36 for the entire table. I did get $5 back from the Fetch Rewards app for my Dollar Shave Club, because I had bought some earlier in the week at Rite Aid, and then the remaining, what I bought today, got me $5 back. But a really lovely haul, a lot of cheap and free items on this table, and we're going to go through it bite by bite. That's the Dollar Shave Club that was given back a little bit extra with the Fetch Rewards app today, so I was so happy with that. I really hope that more digital coupons show up on Sunday, like better ones for better clearance deals, because it was kind of lacking this go around. So I really hope that something shows up, fingers crossed, because wouldn't that be great? But we're going to dive through this item by item, and I'll show you what I did. If you are completely lost, Dollar General clearance event, what is this about? Actually, my haul is right here on these little slides. Check out this video right here. Basically, I'm shopping with my the app. No coupons that I added in. Only 2 coupons, actually. I already caught myself lying. But yeah, if you are very lost about the Dollar General clearance event, I made this video last Monday where I kind of jog you through how to have success. So check out this video. Very helpful. The first deal that we're going to look at is for these Suave 2-packs of these bar soap. Most stores had a lot of them still since the last clearance event 3 weeks ago. Grabbing one of these, they should be ringing up for 37 cents, but they're actually ringing up 75 cents, which is really weird. We have that dollar store coupon, so it just makes it a penny. So it makes it free. You can do this once per account. I'm using more than one store card as well for this haul, so that's how I have that little mountain of them. But yeah, free bar soap. Now this one, I'm not going to joke around. It might be harder to track down, but maybe your store might have it. Grabbing 2 of these Doves for $5.40, subtracting 2 $2 TearPad coupons that we have been finding at CVS and Walgreens. Boom. And then we have 2 off of 2 instant savings that will get reduced down to the cost. No overage, because the 2 off 2 savings is like a Dollar General offer, but it makes these 2 body washes completely for free. We were getting them for free last time, so I think most couponers cleared most stores, but I was still able to find 4 today, which was really weird. Couldn't help myself with this deal for the Loves size 4. I believe it's size 4, size 5 in the app. It's ringing up properly, but the other sizes aren't. They're still ringing up $17. But one of these boxes is $7.87. Subtracting that $3 digital, you're paying $4.87 for a box of diapers. That's upwards of $23.50. So some tremendous value, especially if you have little ones. Now, this was hands down probably my absolute favorite deal, the Mr. Clean sheets. So grabbing 2 of them, that is $2.40. The 4 off 2 digital coupon just got reduced down to the price, so I didn't get any overage. I bought these at an updated store, and I did it over 4 transactions, so I was able to get 8 of these for free. 4 store cards. I had it loaded on 4 different accounts, so I was very delighted about that. I kick myself. I have more than 4 accounts that I wish I had loaded it on more store cards, but I really wasn't thinking. I'm like, yeah, 4 is enough, and then oh, it's free. Oh my gosh. My stores still had a ton of these Dove hand soaps. I don't know why, but we're going to be looking for 2 of them. That would be priced at $3.75. The 2 off 2 instant savings and the dollar digital coupon, if you might have it loaded, makes it 75 cents for the 2. Unfortunately, only 2 of my store cards had that stupid dollar coupon. I wish I had more, because I would have cleaned up on these hand soaps, but I was able to get 4, so I have to be happy with that. I was able to get 2 of these Dollar Shave Club razors. Very happy about that. And they're a harder item to find, but they are $4.05 with the clearance event. We have a $3.50 digital coupon, dropping that down to 55 cents. Now, where this gets really sweet, guys, is that Fetch Rewards had a progressive on my account. Spend 25, get back 5, and they were very cheap as well at Rite Aid this week. So between the 2 stores, I actually qualified once to get 5,000 points back, so I'm very happy with that. This was an item that was very plentiful at probably all the stores, the Schwarzkopf hair dye in this medium blonde shade. So it is on clearance for $4.50. We have a $4 digital coupon that is expiring today, so it drops it down to 50 cents. Not too shabby. Now, I must have like a radar that somebody's having a baby really soon. Somebody that I know, because I got this Dreft baby beads. I couldn't help myself. These are on clearance for $4.92. We have a $3 digital, dropping this down to $1.92, and I got 2 of them. I was so delighted to find one of these Lubriderm advanced lotions. It's really good. I love this lotion. So it is on sale for $3.35. We have a $2 digital, dropping it down to $1.55 for Lubriderm. I think this is a super duper deal. Okay, now I love getting these Airwick Essential Mist. It's basically an oil that you put in that mister. So they were $2.25. At self-checkout, some stores, they were ringing up $3, so just be mindful of that, guys. But grabbing one of those for $2.25, subtracting that $1.50 digital, you're paying 75 cents per oil. And this was one product as well that a lot of stores had an abundance of in the clearance section. So I don't know, it's like people don't want to buy it, but I was delighted to get a couple of them. Another item that I was kind of sad I didn't find more of was this Sensodyne toothpaste. I recently switched over to this because I have one tooth is super sensitive. I probably need to get some work done on it, but I was happy to find at least one because this stuff is so expensive in store. So this is $2.25. We have a $1.50 digital, dropping it down to 75 cents. And for 75 cents, I'll pay that all day, every day, and 10 times on Sunday. I wish I could find more, so that's definitely going to be on the list tomorrow, that I'm going to be on the lookout for that magical toothpaste, because it does work, believe it or not. And I found one of these guys, the Angel Soft Ultra. And it was priced at, I believe, $2.80. We have a 50-cent digital, dropping it down to, I think, like $2.30. So, yeah, happy about that. And just to show you, here's the UPC. Sorry, my photography skills suck. It is my new phone. It is just not the most user-friendly. I don't understand these Apple products. Be sure when you're out and about shopping, if you see these gray totes specifically, to, look through them. You might find some penny items. In a lot of stores, I was finding an abundance of these gray totes that are usually in the back, and they come out only for the clearance event. Now, the final thing we're going to talk about is some toys. A lot of the yellow dot or yellow square toys that we were finding at 90% off, an extra 50% off. So this Monopoly, for example, was $1. One store I found 3 on a regular shelf, which was crazy. And I'm not a very lucky shopper. You could see from the amount of penny hauls that I show here, which are very few now, but $1, which was crazy. This Mega Blocks, it's for kids by Fisher Price. That's what caught my attention. This was 60 cents. And I just thought, it's a toy for a very young kid, but I thought, maybe my nephew next Christmas is a little penguin. That might be a really cute little gift. And 60 cents is totally where it's at. So it was $1.20 down to 60 cents. I would have bought it for $1.20. And the Apples to Apples, some sort of Disney card game for kids, 8 years plus. So I have some nieces that's going to be totally a game that they're going to love. Here's the UPC, guys. And this was 40 cents. And I was able to track down 3 of them. So I got them for stockings for next Christmas. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Let me know what you're hauling at the Dollar General, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.